Machine setup approval is one of the major activities of the quality department. Machine setup approval or production approval is a formal method of approving production process by inspecting manufactured samples against given specification. Quality assurance inspector will be responsible for setup approval for production. The machine setter or operator will provide 5 to 10 samples for production approval process. Continuation of mass production or batch production takes place after sample approval. It is the sample format for machine setup approval. It includes information about product and machine details, shipped and location, sample submitted, parameter, specification, tolerance of the part, measuring instrument details, observation, etc.